If you're going out and you're going to get dressed up, or you want to have something for your wall, this product may be right for you. And what may it be? So let's get a nice close-up look at the samurai sword. This is the protective cover for the blade and handle. This stand, very simple to build. Take the rubber bands off. Line up, lock into place. Repeat for the other side the same way. Line up, lock into place. Open up the cover. Open up the sword. Please do not forget the silver covering and the handle. If you follow the instructions to the T, you'll install it successfully. So what we're going to do is take the sword, plastic cover, make sure it goes on the correct way. You take the blade cover, you take the rubber insert, and don't forget the locking mechanism that will go in the teeth that are gear operated. Once you put this all together, then you're ready to put this on your stand. Place in the cover the correct way it bends. As you can see, there's a little curvature. It locks into place, and you have your stand. If you want to modify your sword to fit a wall, you may do so. If you want to put this on a windowsill or anywhere imaginable, you can do so. If you want to act out, you have the sword. It comes out. Please, it is considered a weapon. And be very careful, because this tip can hurt somebody. And please remember, play safe. I hope you enjoy your samurai sword, an excellent replica of a toy.